I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Your blood can save lives. On April 24th, Carter Blood Care will be setting up in the small gym to take blood donations. Donations will be taken during 2nd, 3rd, and 4th period. Students who are donating will be excused from class. So mark your calendars and save a life. OSA Blood Drive, April 24th, in the small gym.
Don't steal from the vending machines.
Timber Creek Cheer will be hosting the Powder Puff match on Friday, May 11th during part of 4th and all of 5th period. T-shirt sales and registration will start on the 24th and end on the 27th. T-shirts are $10, wristbands are $3. You need either to get in.